Hello dear fans. How to find protons. The atom is like a miniature copy of the solar system. Only instead of the sun, a massive core is located in its center, and elementary particles, electrons, rotate instead of planets. The atom is electrically neutral, so the total negative charge of the electrons must be balanced by the total positive charge of the same magnitude. This happens because the nucleus consists of other elementary particles, protons, and neutrons. Each proton carries the same charge as an electron, only with the opposite sign. Instructions. Step 1. Suppose, according to the conditions of the problem, you know the total positive charge, Q, of the atomic nucleus. To find out the number of protons n, you just need to divide Q by the value of the proton charge QPr. It can be found in the reference book on physics or chemistry. That is, n equals Q/QPr. Step 2. You can find the number of protons in the nucleus using the periodic table. In this table, each element is assigned a specific, strictly defined place, depending on its chemical properties, and the chemical properties are primarily determined by the structure of the atom of the element. Step 3. Each cell of the table contains the necessary information about a chemical element, including its serial number. Here it just corresponds to the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom of an element. Step 4. Take a look at the table. Element number 11 is the alkali metal sodium, Na. Therefore, there are 11 protons in each sodium atom. Or element number 23 is the metal vanadium, V, which exhibits not only basic but also acidic properties in its compounds. Based on their serial number, we can conclude there are 23 protons in each vanadium atom. Step 5. Conduct a kind of check. The atom is known to be electrically neutral. But since neutrons carry no charges at all, only electrons can balance the total positive charge of the protons of an atom. This means that the sodium atom should have 11 electrons, and the vanadium atom 23. Check if this is so. Step 6. Take the periodic table again. Each cell contains data showing how the electronic levels of an atom of this element are filled. Sodium has 2 electrons at the first level, 8 electrons at the second level, and 1 at the third, outer. There are 11 electrons in total. Vanadium has 2 electrons on the first level, 8 on the second, 11 on the third and 2 on the fourth, outer. There are 23 electrons in total. The total charges are balanced, the atoms are electrically neutral. Thanks for watching.